When I arrived in America as a teenager, I had to learn so many things all at once. I felt like a baby all over again. Literally. I had to learn how people speak. I had to learn not to repeat the same word 2 times, 3 times so they can understand what I'm saying. Like, what did you say? I had to understand. I had to learn American words. And most of all, I had to learn how to understand black women because they speak so fast. As in, uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. I'm like, is she saying yes? Is she saying no? But when I came to America, the one thing that really, really sticks out, that just baffled me, just mortified me, just made me so nervous, was a vending machine. Using the vending machine made me feel so stupid or something, at the university. First, you got to put in a coin or cash, just had no idea. Then there is the 5 cent coin, which is nickel. There is the 10 cents coin, which is a dime. Then there is the 25 cents coin, which is which is a quarter. Which one of those? Then there is the letters and the numbers. You have to hit a combination of letters and numbers to get honey bun, popcorn, peanuts, Sprite, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or bottled water, so on and so forth. So I would wait for the place to be clear, people to go wherever they go, classroom, whatever. I don't care. I just want to figure this vending machine out. Today's the day. I'm going to figure it out. So I wait, look to the left, look to the right, see it's all clear. Then I start learning how to use the flipping vending machine. But you see, with the vending machine, you can hit a bad combination to what you intended. And then you get a honey bun and you're like, okay, that's not what I wanted, man. Come on, man. You're killing me. I didn't want something sweet. I wanted something salty right now. It's midday. Can't be having no honey bun. That's breakfast food. And then the honey bun drops and it gets stuck. Now what? I got to make sure not only is the place clear, but there is no security because I'm about to shake this sucker. Shake it the best way a South African knows how to. Shake the crap out of that vending machine. Oh no, you're going to dish out that honey bun today. Moral of the story is, whenever I encounter somebody who's an adult, previous generation ahead, my mother's generation, asking me a question about cars, computers, I don't get ahead of myself. Try to play smart or outsmart them, make them feel stupid or browbeat them with my knowingness or knowledge and all of that. Be a smart alecky, be a know-it-all. He's Mr. Know-it-all. Over Stevie Wonder. I always go back to that flipping vending machine. And I think to myself, there was a time when I didn't know how to even use the vending machine. But today, I can take the flipping vending machine, pull it apart, and put it back together, man. That's how much I know about the flipping vending machine. But there was a time when I didn't know how to use it, for goodness sake. What I'm saying is, I need something like that vending machine to go back to whenever I feel like I'm about to get ahead of myself. I'm about to be presumptuous. I'm about to lose touch with reality. I'm about to defy gravity. or whenever I get impatient with something or someone, I always transport myself back to that holy vending machine right there at the university. Then I remember to calm down. Take a deep breath. There was a time when I couldn't even use a vending machine. Remember that. Remember that, child. Okay? So here's the thing. There are times where somebody thinks I'm trying to outsmart them, or I'm trying to smart ass them, or I'm trying to make them look dumb or something like that. And I look at them like, do you know the story of the vending machine? Did you miss that video? God. I heard from Mooms just the other day, the queen of reggae music, the queen of music overall. She has said, Bob Marley used to speak Jamaican patois. Bob Marley used to speak Jamaican patois. That's my uncle, Robert. Thank you very much, Uncle Nesta, But Bob Marley spoke Jamaican patois quite differently. He sounded different from everybody else. Same homes. Exactly. You're right about that. Hear it from Video Man, little one Video Man, and she him attack, all kind of talk to Mums. Mums say, I heard that. God, man. I can't wait, yeah, man. I now forward again. Now what happened to know? People, we got. Mud. No, little mud. Wally pop mud. How you spell mud? M-A-D. How you spell madness? M-A-D-N. Check me tomorrow.